The 2025 Honda Accord continues its legacy as one of the most reliable, stylish, and tech-savvy sedans in the market. With a blend of sophistication, performance, and practicality, the new Accord is aimed at both families and professionals who value comfort without compromising on innovation. Exterior design. The 2025 Accord features a bold yet elegant exterior design. A sleeker front grille, sharper LED headlamps, and a more aerodynamic silhouette give it a premium, almost sporty look. Clean body lines and updated alloy wheels enhance its road presence, while the fastback-style rear design adds a dynamic touch. Interior. Inside, the Accord boasts a spacious and refined cabin. Premium soft-touch materials, a minimalist dashboard, and a large touchscreen infotainment system dominate the front view. Honda has improved seat comfort, cabin insulation, and rear legroom. Tech features like a digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a panoramic sunroof make the ride more enjoyable. Performance. The 2025 Accord is expected to offer a range of powertrains, including a fuel-efficient 1.5L turbo engine, a more powerful 2.0L variant, and a hybrid model. The hybrid version especially impresses with smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. Honda's continuously variable transmission, CVT, provides a refined and responsive driving experience, while suspension tuning strikes a great balance between comfort and handling. Safety features. Honda continues its commitment to safety with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, now upgraded for 2025. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, and blind spot monitoring. The 2025 Accord is designed to offer top-tier crash protection and driver assistance. Market position. The Accord remains a key player in the mid-size sedan segment, competing directly with the Toyota Camry, Hyundai Sonata, and Nissan Altima. With its mix of style, tech, and reliability, the 2025 model positions itself as an all-rounder sedan perfect for daily commuting as well as long-distance driving. Outro. Overall, the 2025 Honda Accord continues to build on its strong foundation while bringing modern updates that elevate the driving experience. Whether you're after efficiency, comfort, or tech-forward features, the new Accord is set to deliver in every aspect.